guys, welcome back to Alyssa channel. I'm Darren. Today we'll have a special edition video. I'm Darren. Subscribe to the channel and give a like to the video down there. Comment down below. So today we're gonna fold a Gulfstream paper airplane. Firstly, start by folding it like half and a half. Then we will start to make a triangle, which I call the house shape fold, and we will fold it down right here and then fold this down here. From here first, and then we can do it just like that. House shape fold. And then we fold this up. And I'm folding too fast. You feel free to go back or watch again. And then we fold it down here and here, just a reference fold. And then we open it all up like this, and then you can fold this to the back there, and the other side also. So we have two editions of paper folding video for you to check out. Then we put this down, and we also fold the other side. Then we fold one down, up, and slot this in to right here. Now no, for here, just like that, and then you can like that fold to the middle, to down there. I don't know what happened. Oh no, have to fold it in here first, and then fold it down and out, then fold. So you will get a 3-dimension shape after a few minutes. Oopsie, this is not good enough. Maybe you can just make this down, and you can shape it by yourself. Hi, Daddy. And
hi.
Yeah, right here, fold it in here and in, and yeah, fold it in just like that, and then like out, and back in, back in.
Finish.
Like that? Not yet. Then we have to fold this, and we fold up, and out like that. And then, so this video is not really clear, but yeah, it's just for subscribing, you know. And then like that. Then the other side. Like that. This is a Proto Genius one, so that's a YouTube channel, so you can check that out. The link is not in the description below. So like that, and then we're gonna fold it down. No, it's in, and we're gonna open this, fold this down inside here. And another one, which is down
Wah,
inside that thing. And then, so you got the engines.
bisa diterbangkan apa enggak ini?
Enggak.
Ah, enggak.
This one,
Enggak bisa diterbangkan.
yeah. This one you can put the engine now, and now we're gonna fold the fuselage. Fold all up, and then we will gonna fold this, and this, fold it down right here, and then we're gonna fold this right here and down there also. And so we're gonna focus on one side now, like that. Gonna fold this down.
Banyak
And
banget.
then this, we're gonna fold it out right here, out, like that. And then we're gonna fold it out and slip this in right here. So like that. Then fold. Alright. So now we do the other side. Firstly, match that side. One side right here. And then we can fold the other side by folding this in. Trace the other side. And then like that. We open the cap up there. Insert it in and open it out. And we
Pesawat terbang.
will
Kata masih.
open this for opening the engine. Then we open the wing out from one side, then the other side.
Sudah?
No. And then we have to now fold the tail by folding the top like that,
Nah,
and fold
keren.
it down, out, and we're gonna fold the tail wing like that, and then fold the wing tips up and up. And yeah, so this is the Protogenius Gulfstream paper airplane. So I'll count down to 5 and I'll wait you to subscribe. 3, 2,
Thank you,
1,
Dari.
and I want 50 at least likes for this video. I want
Subscribe and
I want you to subscribe, and I want at least 30. So thank you for watching today's video. Bye.
Bye.
Welcome back. This thing can fly over 200 feet. Let's try it now. Subscribe before you see. You will know it only after you subscribe.
Jom.
That was a non-symmetrical flight because of the wind. I don't think it's gonna work. But if you fold it well, it will work. I didn't fold it well just now, but yeah. Dislike the video if you want.
Wow. One more. Saya dan Darin lagi bermain kapal terbang. Kita terbang aja.
Bye.
Bye-bye.
Subscribe, leave a comment below, give a like to the video.
Yes, thank you, Darin.
Then we fold it in